jerking.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, looks like it.
That's cool, huh? See your niece or nephew having the hiccups.
It's probably all that apple juice.
Yeah.
Get that little arms making a shadow right where it need to be now.
Oh, I can't move it.
Back to the heart. We'll finish that up in a minute. So there. See if we can get the little face looking out at us. Face there. These are the little arms kind of right underneath it.
Their faces look creepy right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Just a bit.
But it's got all its features.
Yeah.